Hey, what's going on YouTube? Brandon with Taylorsfiresmoke Cooking. I appreciate you guys joining me today. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make some delicious and easy potato salad. Now, I know there's so many different versions of potato salad that you'll find. I like mine. I believe it's a good one, and I believe you'll like it too. Every time I make it, every time I serve it, people really enjoy it and they keep asking for it. So you follow this simple recipe, I think you'll be onto it too. You won't have to worry about people asking who made the potato salad. You'll be proud to say it was me. So let's go ahead and get into this recipe and stay right there. We'll be right back. All right, guys, here's a quick rundown of our ingredients. Quite naturally, we have our potatoes, which have been diced into about 3/4 by 3/4 inch cubes. We have some sugar. We'll use some fresh cracked black pepper, pink Himalayan sea salt. We have some eggs. I have 5 eggs that I'm going to use. This is a small, very small yellow onion, some mustard, sandwich spread, which I prefer sandwich spread, but you can use mayo if you like, sweet relish, and that's it. So I like to keep my potato salad super simple, and that's what we're going to do with it. All right, guys, so let's get these potato salad assembled. So like I said, I like to keep my potato salad really simple. I think that's one of the biggest issues with people in their potato salads, all this extracurricular activity that they put in their potato salad. All you have to really do is these simple ingredients, in my opinion, makes the best potato salad. You see some people that's putting green pepper and celery and walnuts and grapes and all this kind of foolishness in potato salad. It's not necessary. So this is what I do. So I'm just going to take my eggs, and you can use as many eggs or as little as you like. And I don't recommend that you do your eggs this way or cut them in your hand. That's how I've always done it. And I'm comfortable doing it this way. But if you feel like you need to use a board or something, be my guest. So again, with the dicing of the eggs, we just go, fairly small with it. Cut them into pieces. Now I do have, this is about 3 pounds, if that, probably 2.5 pounds of potatoes. They were about 5 nice sized potatoes and 2 little ones. So that's where we're at as far as the amount of potatoes we have. And potato salad is something that you really want to season to your own taste. Um, I, I just, like I say, I like mine really, 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 really basic. It comes out great. Most people that have it really enjoy it. I've never had anybody complain. I sell it, on my food truck, and I have tons of people always asking for it. So, I feel I do good with it. And I think you'll enjoy it. So I got my eggs all cut up. Also, when I do my potatoes, I like my potatoes done just past fork tender. I don't want them so firm that they can't break up. I kind of like the consistency to have chunks and a little bit of soft in there. So it's when I do my potatoes, I cook them just past fork tender. Now, as far as the onion is concerned, I'm going to start off with half of this small onion. The onion provides a really good flavor. I know there are a lot of people that says, I don't like onion. Oftentimes, you don't even taste the onion in the potato salad. It's just almost like it's a nice accompaniment or a nice uh, uh, player in the game, if that makes sense. Now we're going to go with our sweet relish. Sweet relish is another thing where it's your preference for as much as or as little as you like. So go good with your relish, though. That's going to provide us some sweetness for you. We're going to go with a couple tablespoons of mustard. And I don't like a ton of mustard, but you got to have it in there for a little bit of that zing. And again, I like to use sandwich spread. Now you can use mayo. That's probably what everybody, 95% of the people use. I was taught sandwich spread. Tastes good to me, works good, and that's what I'm going to continue to use. So I've got about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of your sandwich spread. So what I like to do after I get my sandwich spread in there, I like to mix first before I add my seasonings in. Let's give it a good mix. And while I'm mixing, I'm also doing a little bit of chopping and mashing to get those potatoes kind of the way I like them. The consistency that I like in my potato salad. Let me know what you think about potato salad. Are you one of those ones that likes to add all this extra stuff in? Or are you more of a basic person like myself that likes a good yellow, mustard and mayo-based potato salad? Also, this potato salad I'm making in this Tupperware dish because I'm going to be putting it in the fridge overnight. I like my potato salad cold. I do not like warm potato salad. I know some people do. They like it warm. I don't. So this is actually perfect as far as consistency, as far as I'm concerned. I might add just a little dollop more of the sandwich spread, but outside of that, that's kind of like how we like it. So now we're going to go ahead and add our seasoning. We got some Himalayan salt, our black pepper. And again, I told you guys, I like heavy black pepper is mine. And we're going to go with a couple tablespoons of sugar. Now, you might be like, ugh, sugar? Yes, sugar. I'm not trying to, make it super sweet, but that sugar adds a nice balance and balances out that mustard flavor. So it's not overpowering. Give it a good little mix. And you got to make sure that you taste your potato salad. That's why I season my stuff lightly. And if I have to add some more, so be it. Don't get caught, just thinking you're going to know exactly how much seasoning to put in right off the bat. In a pinch, you may be able to, but nah. Take your time, give it a taste, see where you're at. If you have to add a little bit more to it, so be it. And that's pretty good. I do need a little bit more salt. And we'll be set. I'm going to add a little bit more salt and a little bit more sandwich spread. More salt. A little bit more sandwich spread. Give it up a mix. And this is definitely a great consistency here, guys. And this is how I like my potato salad. Not runny, not real thick, but definitely, hearty. To me, that's how it should be. So it's just that simple. Now, if you wanted to, you could have reserved some egg and put on top as a garnish. Or quite naturally, you can use some paprika, smoked paprika. And sometimes I actually like to use a little cayenne pepper to garnish the top. But that's basically it, guys. This is a good, basic potato salad that everybody will enjoy. It doesn't take a whole lot, and it's going to give you exactly what you want. This potato salad is good with, barbecue, fish, fried chicken, whatever you're having. This is a really good side, and I hope you guys give it a try. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video if you can. Make sure you hit the notification bell if you're not already, so you can be notified, rather, of my next up and coming videos. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate all the support. Love you guys, and we'll see you next time.